The Grinder GX-60 from numberone Fitness delivers an incredibly high quality, commercial grade spin bike at a fantastic price. Whether you're a beginner or an avid spin bike user, with the GX-60 you can enjoy everything from a relaxing ride to a high intensity fat burning workout. This bike features an incredibly smooth belt driven design, providing a high level of comfort when in use, as well as being very quiet. A 24 kg flywheel provides plenty of resistance to get your heart racing. The 3-piece crank and fixed wheel transmission allows you to stand up and pedal with confidence. This further tones your glutes, hamstrings, quads and calves. The easily adjustable seat makes the GX-60 able to accommodate the comfort needs of all users in seconds. Easily adjust the resistance to intensify your workout further. Multiple hand grips provide comfort in all your cycling workouts. It also features an emergency brake when you want to stop quickly. Transport wheels on the front of the frame make the bike easy to move around. With its great price and incredible commercial quality, the Grinder GX-60 is waiting to be the next addition to your home, studio or gym. Get yours today from numberone Fitness.